The Sealey TC10 Automatic Tyre Changer. The TC10 is capable of changing tyres on wheels ranging from 11 inches to 24 inches, making it suitable for most cars and light commercial vehicles. And it features an air-operated rear tilting column and headlock, plastic protectors fitted to the clamping jaws and mounting head help to prevent damage occurring to alloy wheels. The TC10 is supplied with a 485mm tyre lever, an integrated tyre inflator, tyre soap tub, air regulator and a lubricator. If you plan to change low profile or run flat tyres, an assist arm will be required, model number TC10A. It utilises the air supply from the TC10 tyre changer, enabling its single air ram to operate 3 separate arms with one control lever. The Sealey TC10 Automatic Tyre Changer, another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range.